Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you oats condensed milk snack. So we're gonna need some sweetened condensed milk. Oats, old-fashioned oats is best, but if you like the fine one, that's okay. But I believe if you get the old-fashioned oats, it's guaranteed that you're getting oats. When it's grinded up too fine, you're not sure if it's oats. Grinded nutmeg and water. Add 1 cup water to a cup. So I'm gonna sweeten this condensed milk as sweet as it should be. So measure and add. Well, we're gonna add it tablespoon by tablespoon because I want to measure the sweetness. So that's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And stir it in and taste it just to see how sweet it is. So this here snack is a snack that I like to prepare at night time. You know, after dinner and in the night, you just want something to eat. You just prepare a snack like this, oats condensed milk snack. So this is my 3rd tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. I have another one that I do with coconut milk. That's the one I like to do. Now 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. We have added 5 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk so far. See, with a snack like this, the milk gotta be sweet, just gotta be sweet just right. The milk gotta be sweet. The milk has to be sweet just right. It still feel like I need another tablespoon. So in all, I'm using 6 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk with 1 cup of water. Don't be shy. Lick the spoon. That's what I'm doing behind the scenes. But be careful though, because that spoon here is sharp. It cut me once. Alright, so this is sweet enough to my liking. Remember now, this is a snack. We used 1 cup of water. It's a snack that we serve cold or room temperature, but not warm. If it's warm, that's a different thing. That's porridge. So now I'm measuring 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. never measured before. I'm just doing this so I can have the information to give you. Normally I just pour milk, add oats. It looks like the proportion is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of oats and 6 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, no sugar. Few grinds of grinded nutmeg. Those you see me doing, add the oats to the condensed milk. For this cup that I'm using, this mug that I'm using, it's just right. But if you can use a bigger mug, do so. Add the oats and mix it in. That's what you want. Now we're going to let it sit for at least 30 between an hour. Refrigerate it or leave it at room temperature. Don't freeze it. This is what you want. This is a healthy snack. You just want a quick snack. You can prepare this oats condensed milk snack. Now allow it to soak within between 30 between an hour, and then the oats will get soft, and then you'll be able to eat it. You gotta let it sit. But before all of that, grind about a teaspoon, or add a teaspoon, no, half a teaspoon or quarter teaspoon, but no more than half teaspoon grinded nutmeg. Sometimes I add raisins to it, or currant if you don't have raisins. You add it at the same time with the milk and the oats and everything, and just allow it to soak and get soft with the oats. Sometimes I add banana, sliced banana. You can add fruits, any kind of fruits, like strawberry type of fruits, and or you can add nuts, any kind of nuts. Work with it as well. This is like a cereal, I guess. It's a oats cereal. Sometimes too I add a pinch of cinnamon powder, but I'm not going to today. The cinnamon powder goes well with the coconut milk. So this is oats condensed milk snack. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share. You should try this snack yourself and give us feedback. Oats condensed milk snack. Look for oats coconut milk snack. The coconut milk method is a little bit different from this one. You gotta allow it to soak. I'm just showing it to you, but you wouldn't play with it at all. Once you put the oats in the milk, you just allow it to soak, and by the time the oats swells, it expands, and then all of this oats will come to the top, and then the milk will have a nice oats flavor to it as well. Just allow. Some people add a pinch of salt to it. to spruce the flavor up or bring the flavor up, but I'm not going to. I'm just giving you the information. Oh yes, and it's recommend keep it covered within the time to avoid insect flying in it or anything like that or anything dropping in it. So keep it covered within the time, and you can refrigerate it within the time as well, or leave it at room temperature. So this has been sitting for about an hour, and this is what it looks like. This is what our oats condensed milk snack or cereal looks like. You see how the milk look creamy, and you see how the oats looks soft and almost look like a porridge, but it's not. This is what you want. The flavor of the grinded nutmeg will kind of give it a really delicious flavor. Like I said, this is a snack that I'll have mostly at nights after dinner, and I just want to have something to eat if I'm up late. I'm also going to do a oats coconut snack or cereal. It's sweet and juicy and flavorful. You want some? I'm kidding. Boy, when the day come when we start sharing food through technology, I guess Amazon working on it. Amazon, um, they kind of like a thing that will fly up into the sky. Drones, they droning food to you now and stuff like that. In those first world country, I know they're probably doing a lot of stuff. You remember in the days when they tried the internet, when you call the supermarket or order over the internet at supermarket? I guess that didn't go far. Probably a couple of business probably still doing that. Alright, so I'm enjoying this oats condensed milk snack. It's it's flavorful. If you know anything about the snack, you're probably tasting it right now. The condensed milk gives it a very unique flavor. It's not like milk. Alright, I'm gonna sit and have the rest of this. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man.